Welcome to 1215 Sledge Drive. This beautiful custom Sendero home was built in 2005. The home is approximately 2,633 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. The home features a 3-car garage, gorgeous stone and stucco exterior, slab foundation, and composite shingle roof. Located in the heart of Lakeway, in the Preserve at Lakeway subdivision. Watch the sun go down over the hills of Lake Travis from your covered front porch. The open floor plan lends itself to entertainment. All flooring on the main level is hard flooring with both tile and wood floors. High ceilings and built-in surround sound speakers accent the living area, centered around the floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace that can be gas or wood-fueled. The dining area is big enough to be formal, but open enough to be casual. Enjoy the views while you dine as well. The kitchen with breakfast bar also features limestone accents, granite countertops, undermount sink, gorgeous wood cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. The gas range, microwave, and dishwasher are KitchenAid appliances. The upper and under cabinet lighting updates help complete the space. Plenty of natural light keeps the house bright and the electric bills low. The master bedroom, located on the main level, has upgraded wood floors, upgraded LED lighting, a tray ceiling with ceiling fan, and even more views to wake up to. The master bathroom was completely remodeled in 2019. It has a private water closet, twin vanities with granite countertops, upgraded LED mirrors, and beautiful tile floors. Take away the stress of the day as you soak in the oversized freestanding Miseno tub. Enjoy the rain shower head in your gorgeous tiled walk-in shower. The master closet with wood floors has built-ins for even better organization. The owners have upgraded LED lighting throughout most of the house. The thermostats are Nexia enabled to allow you to control temperatures from your smartphone. Extra blown-in insulation and solar-powered fans in the attics, as well as a fully insulated garage, have helped keep the average electric bill over the past 12 months approximately $209 a month. Additional storage located under the stairs. The powder room is located in the rear corner of the first floor for some privacy, adjacent to the laundry room. As you enter the large 3-car garage, you notice the beautiful epoxy floors done in 2019, the built-in cabinets, and the hanging storage. Also in 2019, the garage was fully insulated and features a ductless Mitsubishi HVAC system that can keep your work or hobby space 75 degrees all year round if you like. The closet contains a GE GeoSpring hybrid water heater installed in 2014. Up the wood stairs, you'll find the other 2 bedrooms and another living room with wood floors continued. Also wired with built-in surround sound, uses a game room, media room, or office. Walk out to your private balcony and overlook the hills of Lakeway as the sun sets in the western skies. Both upstairs bedrooms are spacious and have the only carpet in the home. The front bedroom, with views of its own, has a ceiling fan and direct bath access to a private sink area and walk-in closet. The upstairs bath floor tile and shower surround tile was recently installed in February 2020. The third bedroom, with carpet and ceiling fan, gets plenty of natural light from the eastern skies and overlooks the backyard. Keep things contained with the gated fence within a fence backyard area. American Standard 17 SEER Platinum Series HVAC units were installed in 2014. The beautiful covered extended flagstone patio was also added by the sellers. Stroll up the lighted steps to your backyard oasis. Like the cherry on top of the nearly half-acre lot, the heated pool and spa complete the day as you relax watching another Central Texas sunset. Conveniently located near the Oaks at Lakeway, with shopping, entertainment, and restaurants, with Lake Travis award-winning schools, come make 1215 Sledge Drive your home today. For more information on this or other homes in the Austin area, call me at 512-994-4463. Or you can reach me through my website, frankwestsellshomes.com. And keep in mind, buy, sell, or invest, think Frank West.